What's up? Guess what, guys?
Nobody ever made me feel this way. I'm gonna stick with you. Kids that you plan for the next whole week. Plans too novel, but it's so cheap and your flex so deep and your sex so deep.
Guess what? I'm in Houston, guys. And guess what we're doing? Y'all about to get a empty Airbnb tour. So let's just, first we're gonna start off with the closet. As you all just saw that I was inside the bathroom. So of course you know your toilet, your tub, your shower. And look at this beautiful mirror. Get into it, get into it. It's the body for me. Y'all know. Anywho, so guys, we're going to, my God, it's my things, guys. So we're gonna walk here. Of course, look how pretty this bed is. The from that paint is real cute, y'all. I wish. This is the bed. But if you all can see, you probably can't, though. We might have to go outside and see. But right up in there is a lake, guys. A freaking lake. It's just a little closet because, of course, you saw that the closet in the bathroom was, you know, the closet in the bathroom was definitely big enough. I don't think I would put my stuff in that closet, only because, like, it's inside the bathroom, you know. So let's go to the kitchen. We're gonna start at, so here's the front door. When you come through your front door, to your left is going to be the washer and the dryer. This is big, guys. Look at this. Big washer, big dryer, iron, a duster, nice painting. Also, guys, when you come in the kitchen, look how pretty this kitchen is. Wait. Let's step back. Y'all gotta get into this kitchen. Like, let's get into it, okay? It's the bar stools for me. Don't y'all hate those things? Ugh. Anywho, guys, so the light fixtures, like, oh, my apartment's like this. Anywho, this is the kitchen. Basically, you have your dishwasher, your sink, your soaps. She left us some pots out. I don't know. I don't really know what's in it. Nothing. This is a nice island. Nice countertop, guys. Look at this. Where do you think she got that from? It's cute. The glasses, the whole aesthetic is real cute. Let's go. Oh, y'all see that over there? Is there a place to make? What's this? Let's go see. Come around here. This is mine. This isn't. This is mine, my makeup. But I think this is where I want to do my makeup at, because it's a little stool. Not like a whole aesthetic of the, you know. If you know, you know. Get into it. Okay? This book I haven't read, so I have to kind of, you know, look it up and see what it's about. The Wi-Fi password. Yo, she left us some snacks. Oh, honey barbecue. Chiwis. Games. Oh, we can play games. Okay. I guess you call this a stand, a TV stand or something. Here. Oh, it's a plant. Nice size plant. Here are the doors to the balcony. We're gonna go outside on the balcony. Not the chair. Let me tell y'all something. Oh, it's the lake, guys. Look at the lake. We were just talking about the lake. Look at the freaking lake, guys. This is very peaceful to come. Uh-oh, raindrops are falling on us. We can definitely come sit out here and chill. I guys need to go to a Best Buy because I need a hand tripod. Not only do I need a hand tripod, I also need to get another freaking memory card. So the balcony is going to be very peaceful. Y'all ready to enjoy Houston? Let's go and enjoy Houston. I think today on our journey through Houston, We're going to probably, it's not going to be a chill day because we're going somewhere later. I can't wait. I can't wait. But anywho, guys, right now, kind of chilling, you know, getting everything settled. I'm about to go take things out of my suitcase, so you all can come with me and watch that. But other than that, let's enjoy Houston. So guys, I'm at Whataburger. I'll show y'all the finishing product of my hair. I forgot to say. Guess what? We back. What do you do? What's up? I would take this off, but the girls is sitting, honey. We need to get dressed. Ooh. I saw this video on YouTube earlier, and it said that if your Instax Mini 9 camera, I'm gonna have one linked in the description box below. So mine wasn't working. So I'm gonna take some pictures, of course. Y'all know I don't go nowhere without taking pictures. But I also have to do a oh my god, this is so cool, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. We did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray. Let's see. It's pop. Guys, it's rolling. Oh my god, let's see. Let's see. Let's change it from here. Oh, it's working. Oh my god. So we have to take a picture, right? So let's take a picture. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's printed. It printed. Y'all know they say don't wave them, but y'all know us. We gonna wave. I'm gonna let it sit there, but let's take another picture. I'm so excited. Hold up. What are you doing? I'm gonna go do an outfit change, guys. I'll be back. Let me tie my hair back up. Ooh. I'm gonna tie my hair back up until I get ready to, you know, finish getting dressed.
Yeah, that's what it better be.
'Cause I need somebody who will stand by me.
If you only knew what you're really doing, never had no one that does it quite like
Baby, it's the me for me. It's the me for me.
I want you. I want you.
The things I wanna do to
DJ for had who say.
So I just washed my face, you know, brushed my teeth and everything. I'm about to lay out my outfit, make sure it looks nice. You know, fashion is a big thing. So let's go do that. Pick out our shoes, socks. All that really might already be on the video. Okay, Glam Squad. So here's my outfit for today. It's gonna be more of like a small black business type day. We're gonna talk about this more, but get into it. It's the canvas bag, a bucket hat, a mask. This is nice. These are my shaggy size. Project shorts and a t-shirt. Oh my god. Let's get into it. Links will be in the description box below. We're back. Peep out the hat with the outfit. I got a bag. Okay, let's get it. Yo, we outside, baby. We outside, okay? We is outside, baby. I don't see nobody stopping us from going outside. We outside, baby. Let me see. Let me move out there. Baby, we outside. Y'all ready? Hello, are y'all ready? Baby, we is outside. 2021. The summer. Just baby, y'all ain't got nothing on. So guys, chicken and cone, well, chicken and cone was really delicious, y'all. I buried mine. What's up, Glam Squad? So look, we're out here by Waterwall Park. The inside is real beautiful. As we can smell, it's a lot of chlorine in the water. This might be a bad camera angle, but look, let me show you. This is the inside over here. I'll also insert a clip. This is beautiful. People are out here taking pictures. It's really just I think it's a good place to come with your family. If you ever come to Houston, downtown Houston is where it's at, guys. So come out, do what you gotta do. Right by the Galleria. Like I said, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below. Oh, whoa. We're getting wet here. Okay, guys. Guys, here's the ice skating in the mall. Oh my god. I wish I knew how to I wish I knew how to skate. Until next time, guys.